This Honda stops okay, but the brakes are spongy, the brake fluid is filthy, and the discs have a huge wear lip. I'll start by changing the brakes. Most people won't get it done unless they had to, not because they don't care, but because the labour costs too much. I get it, but you always have the option of doing it yourself. You can buy your car's workshop manual online, follow the correct procedure, save hundreds, and take pride in doing the job properly. The workshop manual gives me the confidence to tackle the job. It tells me what tools I'll need before I start, most of which are cheap to buy on Amazon and can be used again. Just follow the manual and feel the achievement. A cheap extendable ratchet and socket set can be bought, and mine has honestly seen me through tens of jobs. Most garages don't have the time to make the hub face shine, which can help to ensure that the new disc can sit perfectly true. They don't have the time to deep clean the calipers or to clean the carrier mounting points properly. The job gets done quickly with a hand brush because time is money. When you're working on your own car, the clock doesn't matter. You can take your time to do every little detail properly because nobody cares about your car as much as you do. A garage is unlikely to spend this much time on a brake carrier because time is money. They probably won't offer to replace the slider pin boost either. Most are simply reused. The problem is, once they split, water gets in, corrosion starts, and the caliper can no longer move as it should. The same goes for the anti-rattle shims. They're inexpensive to replace, but often reused. These are the little details that make the brake pads slide freely in the carrier instead of being forced in due to rust and poor preparation. Nobody is going to care about your brakes as much as you do. When you're doing the job yourself, you can take your time to get every detail right. The difference you'll feel every time you press that brake pedal is the preparation. But it's not just about the quality of the job that you get to control, it's the quality of the parts too. A garage will often fit whatever brand they've been supplied or quoted for, but when you're doing it yourself, you get to choose. For me, I like APEC or QH because I've had good results with these before. It's time to bleed and flush the brake system. This one-way bleed valve is a DIYer's best friend. Push it onto the bleed nipple with the arrow pointing away. Crack the nipple open and pump the brake pedal while keeping the reservoir topped up with fresh brake fluid. Once the bubbles disappear and clean fluid is flown through, tighten the bleed nipple and repeat the process on the remaining corners, following the bleeding sequence in the workshop manual. And with that done, this brake pedal feels so much better. I use eManualOnline.com. Click the link below, enter your vehicle details, then buy and download the manual. You get everything you need to repair your car. Nobody is going to care about your car as much as you do, and this is a brilliant investment. If you click my link in the description and enter the discount code, you will get 22% off. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe.